What's up, guys? We're gonna do the day in the life of Mitch Dore. What we're gonna do today is a lot. So Evo 9 MR in the background. We've been working on this car a lot. Things that we're gonna go do today. One, we're gonna pick up my FRS. Two, we're gonna pick up some, well, we already did pick up some body kit for the FRS. Three, we're getting headlights for the Evo. I'm very excited. So these are the chrome HID ones that the car came with, and we're swapping them out for someone that has already blacked out theirs. So I'm gonna buy their blacked out ones, sell these ones, pick up the FRS. I got an FRS body kit, another body kit for it. So 2 body kits for it. And we're just gonna do a day in the life. And we're gonna drive 12 hours today. So we're gonna be a lot of doing. We're gonna do a complete vlog content. Very excited. Tons of car parts. Let's get going. Take the Tundra to go pick up the FRS. And then inside the FRS, I got some really good parts. I can't wait. I'll show you guys on that video. And then we're also gonna go get some Evo 9 MR headlights that we're driving 1,000,000 miles for. So saying goodbye to the Evo, saying hello to the Tundra. Let's get on the Tundra and go get the FRS. And so FRS, right? This is, we got it here. We went and got the FRS. Now, look what we have back here. We're gonna unload this. Ooh, I'm so excited. And it's my color too. So look what we got. So this is a really nice kit here and it matches the color. Look at that. I don't even have to get it painted. I do have a TRD replica kit inside the garage. But I found this online for such a good deal, I had to get it. So I picked this up a couple days ago, and now you guys get to see it. We are gonna install this pretty much bolt by bolt onto the FRS. It is a Scion FRS 5-axis kit, which is like, I think an official dealer of, for Scion when the car came out. So you get this from the dealer, you can buy it from the dealer, you get it installed by the dealer, you can, they can do wheels too, so it's a great kit. But if you come over here and look at all the parts, I mean, I'm really excited. It's gonna look so good. Let's just test fit real quick here, and then we gotta get on the road, because this is just a great day in Mitch Dore's life, right? I cannot wait. This is gonna look amazing. Oh, that is so much better. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait. It's gonna look so good, so good. So this will be a fun install. It's gonna make the car look way more aesthetic. Oh my gosh, I can already tell. Such awesome. I'm so excited. Yes. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. I got this for a screaming deal, so I had to get it. So let's get on the road. We dropped the Tundra. Now we got the FRS. And we're gonna go drive for 6 hours. So let's get in the car and let's go, because we're gonna get some headlights. Guys, I like these cars. Is it a VR4? I don't know. 3000 GT. Oh, that's so good. I love it. It's in great condition too. Oh, we've driven 3 hours. We've chunked along, which is good. This is a day in Mitch Dore with the FRS. This thing is getting 32.6 miles a gallon. That's amazing. Do you guys think I should get a GTR or a Supra? Comment down below. I need to know what I should get. I'm really shopping both of those. In the meantime, I can't wait to put that body kit on here. I can't wait to get those new headlights for the Evo. We got about another 3 hours, and we'll get the headlights. We'll show you them. I'm very excited. They're used, but they're blacked out, and they are USDM, I think Evo 8s, and they should be good. So we'll probably install them on the next video, which I'm really looking forward to. And then I still got to paint those brake calipers on the Evo 9. I got to paint those red with the Brembo stickers, so that'll be coming too. But we're cruising along. I love driving the FRS. Great car, absolutely love it. Needs a new clutch. All right, we've been driving forever. We've been 31.2 miles to the gallon. They're gonna let this car go by. And we've made it out into the middle of the desert. Look at that. So this is eastern side of Oregon. A day in my life. There you go, check that out, guys. It's pretty cool. Stop number 3. We're in Sunshineville now. Let's get back in the car, it's kind of windy. We're almost there. It's just a day in the life. Okay, day in the life. I'm tired. We've been driving for 6 or 7 hours. Look what we got. So, picked up some Evo 9 MR, well not MR, just Evo 8.9 USDM, HID, matte housing. He bought the very expensive JDM ones. The reason that I wanted these ones, one, they are already blacked out for me, which is the main reason I wanted it, to be honest. Those are gonna look so good. They're so much better than my other ones. The JDM ones from Japan, this right here is amber, or other way around, or yeah, this is amber, and they're switched. And I didn't want that, I wanted all dark, and this looks amazing. So this is gonna look super good. I'm excited, this will look nice. It'll fit my whole theme of my car, black and red. So I'm very happy for these two. Was it worth the drive? Oh my gosh, I don't know. They definitely need clean, so I'm gonna clean them up and then plug all my stuff in. And all the tabs are good, which is a big deal. They're just a little dirty, but that will look so much better on my car, and it'll make the contrast, the black and red look really, really good. So I'm happy. 2 headlights down. Holy smokes, what a drive! Mission accomplished. Nice. Bag secured. Oh man, I haven't been here. We're in Sisters for like 8 years. Getting gas, second time. We're only about $100 in gas. I think it'll cost me about $100 through the whole trip. But we do have these lights. Man, what a drive. I'm excited though. I think that these will look good. And I am happy with them. And I did sell the other one. So this should be a good setup. Black and red pretty much on the whole thing. I did also purchase a intercooler from Mishimoto, which supposedly give like 8 to 10 horsepower, which I'm excited to show you guys how to install that. So we'll have that. I have all the good bolt-ons now. So the car is gonna be doing pretty good. I'm really excited. It should make some good power. And it's gonna be very aesthetic and black and red. So I can't wait to do that. So filled up the gas. We're gonna get back in the car. She's getting some grub. She's grabbing her MacDs. If you haven't been to this Oregon, you should swing by Sisters or Bend. This is kind of like a cowboy themed town. Everything's like Old West. Like you have to build it Old West. Kind of cool actually. And just like that, I'm exhausted. It's 1 in the morning. This is a life in Mitch Dore. This is a day in the life of me. It's been a great day. Oh man, pretty awesome. Pretty excited for that. Can't wait to put those on. I got a lot of work ahead of me to do all that, but man, the car is really coming along. This is the stuff I live for these days. These are long days. Wow, we did like, golly geez, like 700 miles pretty much. But no more amber headlights, so I cannot wait to do the new ones and put them on. Oh, wow, I can't wait. So make sure to come back to my channel for more great videos. This is a good day in the life. Like, subscribe, swingbymitsdore.com. and come back and I'll show you guys how to install those headlights. See you on the next video.